Kay William is too funny every time he goes out. He swings and then he throws the bat. Why'd you throw the bat? His big brother just won the championship, his first year in Little League. So William's been talking about winning the championship. You gonna win the championship? Like Elijah? There goes the bat. He chucks it. This kid is hilarious. You threw the bat pretty far, huh? You gonna hit the ball? All right, good job. You hit it good, huh? Go get that bat, Wild Man. It's too funny. Here we go. What are you doing? You having fun today? There goes the bat. Why'd you throw the bat? Oh, bye-bye.